God dang this. It's turning hard to track.
Just keep on moving over there.
I think I got one picture of it.
Over there. Where the black clouds are. Where's your charger at?
Inside. Why, do you want me to go get it? God, Dad, this is hard to track every single lightning strike there is.
Hold it right there. See?
Here, I guess I'll just do this.
Yeah.
Sure, I won't get hit right here, Dad?
No.
Wow. Yeah, Dad, what's that one that he said wow on? Was that a big one?
You want one right across the sky.
It's not a light up at night. Wow.
Good shots.
Almost. Whoa! Holy snap!
Get it?
Yeah, that was actually like a perfect one. I got that one on video. Whoa. Jesus.
Should be some cool ones.
Yeah, well, come out here. For some reason, my camera's coming unfocusing.
That one?
Yeah, I got a whole bunch. But for some reason, it kept on focusing in. Or is it because it's getting darker out?
That one?
Yeah, I got that one. Yeah, I did. I am definitely might be posting this up on my YouTube account or on
That one?
which one? That I might be posting this on you. Whoa!
You get that one?
Yeah.
That should have been good.
Yeah, that would have been good.
Oh, what that one?
Where'd it stop? Dad, this is definitely going up on YouTube.
What about that one?
You mean the one right over there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh!
Get that one?
Yeah. Just hope I don't get knocked out. Dad, if I go down and my video camera's laying on my stomach, please pick it up and press the red button. Or if it turns off, then just don't worry about it.
Get that one?
Yeah.
Missed that one.
No, I didn't. I actually got that one on the last minute. Then Dad, I can't see you in the dark. I think it's over with. Nope. So is our flash lightning, Dad?
Oh,
I got that one.
storm.
Huh?
Storm.
Wait, that's a huge storm?
Yeah.
So this one's gonna be a loud one? So, Dad,
It's under a gust.
so it's gonna come through here too?
No.
I forgot.
That one.
I didn't know. Oops.
Oh,
Oh, that's basically the point of that one.
Storm's moving to your left, so look that way, towards the garage. Not that far. Right through there.
Damn.
Yeah.
We need some drums. Boom, boom. Drum out to the lightning beat. Hey, Dad?
You're missing a bone, huh?
No, but Dad,
What?
that is if we were out front, we'll get a better picture.
Go off one.
Do you want to come with?
No.
Why? Scared?
No, I'm not scared.
Well, I'm just gonna go and get my sandals on really fast.
Alright.
Meet you out front. Let's go.
You're missing low.
Come on. We have to hurry up because I only have one bar left, and I have to make this the best one bar ever. Even though I think I got a terminal. Okay, well, YouTube only has YouTube only allows
Right through here.
10 minutes of video, Dad.
Right through there, bro. You're perfect right through. Well, you get the ledge.
Here. But Dad, YouTube only allows like 10 minutes of video.
Now you gotta go. Hey. Gotta look. Look at that. That was freaking awesome.
Dad, are you drunk?
No, I'm telling you.
Well, why don't you point the camera at something?
Right there, bro.
This is badass. Oops. Sorry. I can never swear.
Are you recording or not?
Yeah.
You missed that one.
No, I got that. Whoa. Probably should go down to the park.
That was awesome.
You actually can see it all from the baseball field. His tennis right over there?
Right there, bro. Between those two trees. Look at that.
Whoa. Do you see how I'm go
Right through there.
right through those two trees?
Yeah, right there. Look at that. That's where you want to catch it.
Hey, Dad? On my side is been weird.
Huh?
So my side has been weird.
Maybe you got hit by lightning.
Is that what it's supposed to be like when you got like a little? Is that like a low tingle?
Did you go?
Ah, no.
Alright, let's go.
Wait. Let's see if one big one can come in.
It's over there.
I think I got that.
That was awesome.
I actually do. Oh, I think I. I think it's over with, Dad. We missed the best ones.
That was a pretty good lightning. Oh,
Where?
right there, bro.
Yeah, I'm pointing right. Oh,
Oh,
I got that.
did you?
Yeah, I did. This is goddamn awesome. Dad, sorry if I can say frickin'.
Oh,
Bam.
That was over there.
Over there?
Oh, you messed up.
No, I got that one. Got that. Wait, there's gonna be one big one. Just don't go through that gate. Hey, Dad, what happens at the end? There's actually a big. Boom!
Missed that one.
Yeah, but Dad, what happens? There's actually a big boom, like we're at the end of all these.
Not, right?
Sure about that?
That one?
Well, okay. 10 minutes is up.